Hey, what's going on, guys? So I wanted to do a quick video on traveling with a truck, and there's so many options to put your stuff and your gear, and I wanted to just give you a quick rundown on what we got going on here. I just got back from the beach for a little weekend getaway with the wife, and sometimes you want to find the ideal way to pack everything, and so in my truck I have my dog in the back seat, so it's not ideal just to throw my luggage in there. Also, you don't want to just throw luggage or a duffel bag in the back of the truck. So that being said, I just wanted to switch around here and we'll show you kind of what we're working with here. So we've got these Ridgid boxes right here. Ridgid Pro Gear System Gen 2, and I've got a nice cable lock right here, some master locks, and I got a Yeti cooler, some water, some chairs, a couple shoes. But anyhow, so these things work pretty well. Let's open it up and see what we're working with here. All right, so nice clasps right here, and oh, there's some clothes and some things, but it has a like a rubberized sealing, like an O-ring right around here, and is it as waterproof as maybe like a Pelican case? Obviously not. I almost guarantee if I took a water hose and just sprayed it down, you're going to get some moisture in there. But it's been in rain, been on some crazy dusty, dirty roads, and everything's dry and dust free. The boxes get pretty dusty. I'll kind of wipe them down, but nice burly handle. They're stackable, which is cool. So you stack one on top and then you flip this little latch, boom, so you can stack them up. So I've got these two, I call these like the medium sized ones. This is the larger one, and I put some stickers on here so I know which one is. So my wife has this one, I've got the Black Rifle sticker on mine, and this one says what, cooking and coffee. Anyhow, and then I have another one of these in the garage, but they also come with these dollies, so I can stack them all up. So if I want to go in the house, grab the dolly, come out, stack all of these on each other, and then take them into the garage or take them into the house. Makes really convenient, easy transport, which is really nice. I wanted to get those Pelican cases. They have some really cool Pelican for overlanding and off-roading that you can mount in the truck, but they're like $500-600 a piece, and then you got to get the mounting brackets, and you're easy $1,000 or $2,000 into it, just some storage options. But this seems to work really, really well. You can label them waterproof. Now I know this isn't like theft proof, right? But it's definitely a deterrent. So let me put this lock back on here. Definitely a little bit of a deterrent. And as far as when I shut this, obviously the tailgate locks, so you could reach in here and try to like mess with stuff, but there's not a whole lot of room to like pick it up and pull it out, or get clippers in here to try to cut the wires and stuff like that. So I mean, obviously if somebody really, really wanted it, they could get it, but that's kind of the world we live in, but whatever. So anyways, what are your thoughts? Any ideas for what I could work on for a system like this? Do you do something similar? Do you do something totally different? Do you have something cheaper and better, more waterproof? I don't know. So thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. See you on the trail.